Hi guys, it's Kelly. All right, I have two cards, birthday cards rather, to share with you today. This particular one is for my son's girlfriend. Today is her birthday. So, I actually, this card has been like the death of me, let me tell you. Originally, I believe the floral paper and like all the little pieces that are pink and whatnot, those are from Prima romance novel. And I had another card completely done, and instead of just leaving it alone, I decided to do something to the image and I ruined it. So I had to rip the image off, which in turn tore some of the paper and, you know, but I didn't want to throw away like the organza and the flowers and the main base. So I kept it, and I was actually able to reuse it on this one. However, there's a lot going on, but needless to say, I will try to go over some of the things that I used. If you have any questions or, you know, about any specific die, let me know, because I can't remember offhand what all I did use. So anyways, this is a new Tiddlyinks image that I just got. It's a rubber stamp, or whatever you call that, photopolymer. I used watercolors to color her. She is on a Quick Cuts doily die. The number 23, that is definitely a CC Design die, and I used Wink of Stella and Glossy Accents. The two cupcakes, the cupcake border right here and then the large one, I do not recall who those are. The cherry is actually, I did use Glossy Accents and my Wink of Stella on it as well. So there's a little bit of a close-up. And of course, you know, there's organza, ribbon, some seam binding. I believe the happy birthday right here, the sentiment die, I know it came from Simon Says Stamp, and it came with another one that said like celebrate, and I forget what the other one said. It could possibly be a Christina Warner. I'm not really quite sure. I also used some frontage around the image. So again, this is an easel card. And so there's that one. Now my favorite, which I'm really struggling to let this one go, this is for my dad. He is turning 72 here on the 28th. And wow, I can't even get it into frame. Trying. There we go. I love this one. I just think he turned out so adorable. So this is a saturated canary digi. I believe his name is Philly Phil. And I used a bunch of different wafer thin dies. The happy birthday flags, that is a lawn fawn. The number die, that is CC Design. All the little words right here, those are paper tray ink. The frame that I made, that is MFT. Gosh, and I don't recall what the other ones are. And you can see it is dimensional, the frame and whatnot. And then there it is as a close-up. Oh my goodness, he's just so adorable. I can't wait. I'm going to go ahead and color another one of these up just because I just love him. He's so cute. And I don't really like boy images, but as soon as I saw him, I just knew I had to have him. So, and then I also know this right here, it came from Michael's. And this tag die right here, this is definitely Magnolia. The buttons are Black Licorice from MFT. So, and the paper pad that I used was a Fancy Pants. I'm trying to think of the name. I think it was Park something. So, and yes, I know it's very girly, but like I said, I think, you know, he'll appreciate it regardless. So, there's my 2 cards. And again, if you got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the box below. And I am going to go so I can start coloring up some more. All right, everyone, have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!